kilos, representing Swami Mixed Martial Arts. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Dhanush Hiraman. 1.2 kilos, representing Team UMC. Back to weight division, ladies and gentlemen, Hema Nayak.
Naveen's is next. Naveen's. Not now, next. Not now, next.
You know the rules, right? Obey my instructions. I want a clean fight. Okay, touch gloves. Go back to your corners.
So at red corners, we have Dhanush Ahmed and we have Hemant Naik from blue corner. Both fighters are taking the center. A beautiful opening from Hemant. Hemant is opening and Dhanush is calm and composed. And beautiful leg kick from Hemant again. Hemant is keeping his hat down and going for the kicks. Dhanush is not reacting heavy. He is very composed. And both the fighters exchanging. And Hemant got a takedown. Now after taking the takedown, he successfully got up Dhanush. And both the fighters are swinging to the fences. Dhanush is giving his back. And Dhanush literally running in the cage. Both the fighters swing to the fences and they are not stopping. They're just going against each other. A beautiful ground and pound attempt by Hemant is not stopping. He's constantly punching him. Dhanush should be very careful here. A good reversal by Dhanush and a reversal by Gautam as well. Now both the fighters are going for scrambling. Now Dhanush is on top, mounting Hemant and a reverse from Hemant as well. These guys are scrambling. They are just rolling. It's not scrambling, they're just rolling. And a triangle choke from Dhanush. It's almost locked in. Beautiful triangle choke. Dhanush is locked in triangle choke. It's completely sticked in. He can finish. Is it almost finished? It's a very deep in triangle. Can he finish it? Can he finish? Dhanush is completely synced in triangle. And Hemant is not stopping. He's constantly punching. Can he finish him? Can it be done? I'm like, Dhanush is using his entire life there to finish the triangle. And Hemant right there is not giving up. He's constantly trying to. Now, hey, Dhanush switches to mounted triangle and then again back to triangle. He keeps switching. I'm like, the arm is not completely synced in, so that's why they're locked. If Dhanush can readjust the lock, he can get in a better triangle. But Hemant, he is not giving up. He is constantly holding there and damaging Dhanush. Dhanush is holding the triangle. And now Dhanush is working. He is holding the triangle and working. Last 10 seconds. I think Dhanush's legs are gassed out, so he's stopped the triangle. Now he's going to trying to reattempt, but the time is not sufficient. What a scrambling at the end of the round from Dhanush and Hemant as well. Both the fighters going for center. A small issue in the glove. I think the referee is fixing it. We're gonna resume the bout in just few seconds. A beautiful outside leg kick from Dhanush. An axe kick done by Dhanush. Oh, Dhanush is going for the kicks. I'm saying Dhanush is getting more confident here. A beautiful trip, but another triangle attempt here from Dhanush. Dhanush is constantly attacking from his guard. He's using constantly his jiu-jitsu skills. He's using his high guard, and now Prajwal is very aware of that thing and he's making sure he doesn't get trapped in the triangle once more. But here, Dhanush is constantly working for that. One good, nice hammer from Prajwal. Prajwal is punishing him for attempting the submissions. You know, in this situation, it's basically 50-50, you know. It depends who takes advantage of the position. Prajwal being on tongue, he can use the gravity to his side and start punching. At the same time, Dhanush can use his grappling skill. You can use hips to control Prajwal and get some submissions out. Now Dhanush cannot get up in that way, that's way. Both the fighters are staring at each other. An outside leg kick from Dhanush. They are just seeing each other in the Hemant attempting a head kick. Both the fighters keeping the hands down and going for the kicks. A beautiful left hook by Hemant. It's almost grazed Dhanush. Hemant smiling, looking at Dhanush and smiling, and Dhanush is looking at him. Both the fighters are looking at each other. They are trying to set up something. They're not engaging. There should be some action. Round 3. Both the fighters have entered the center of the cage. Both the fighters staring. It's a staring contest, you know. I think these guys would win it. I can recall Vahera versus Ziri for the staring contest. Now these guys are doing the same thing. Now both the fighters going for the fences. A beautiful left hook has been connected by Hemant. Hemant is contested trying to press forward. A beautiful right hook has been connected by Hemant again. Oh, a head kick almost rocked. That was a clean head kick almost. Dhanush. Dhanush is constant. Hemant is putting the pressure on now. Both the fighters. A beautiful left hook again by Hemant. Hemant is using his strikes, his confidence, landing. Whatever he's throwing is landing almost clean. But Hemant should be careful. Both the fighters should be careful, keeping the hands up. Both the fighters are swinging. Dhanush pressing forward. Hemant countering, timing the punches. Hemant is just swinging for the fences. What a cross by Hemant. Now Hemant, Dhanush, both the fighters are swinging. Both the fighters are swinging each other. This is a fight, guys. They are going with the fences. They're swinging. What a fight, guys. As I mentioned, it's all about heart. Techniques come, yeah, but heart. They're showing heart here. They're giving all out. Dhanush is bleeding. Both the fighters exchanging. They're just swinging. Wild exchanges between the fighters. They're just going wild. And a beautiful cross by Hemant. What a fight, guys. Hemant and Dhanush. Last 10 seconds. Let's see a flurry. Will they give a flurry? What a fight in the end of the round, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the winner. Winner by judges split decision. And the winner comes from the blue corner, Hemant Nayak. Kamaruddin, please, thank you so much. Kamar.